Alright, welcome back to Unbox and Chill, guys. Thank you so much for stopping in, as I always appreciate it. We've got an unboxing today. We got our Watch Gang Black Tier subscription watch for January, and I will say right at the top of the video here, it's dope. I like it. So, okay, we're going to check it out here. I think they knocked it out of the park this month. This is a really good watch. I really like it. We're going to get into it, okay? I will say at the top of the video, hit that subscribe button. The channel's growing nicely. Once we get to 1,000 subscribers, we have a giveaway lined up. We did one at 500 already. Mr. Kenneth Chong won a Wolf watch winder, and he won an automatic watch. So again, once we get to 1,000, we do have a little bit larger giveaway lined up. It's going to be a little bit nicer. I cannot wait. Be the cool guy. If you can hear my voice, hit that subscribe button and hang out. All right, let's get into it here. Let's move everything out of the way. And this is a Watch Gang, which is a subscription box service. They will send you a watch every month. This one was $99, and this particular one I do like. I think it looks really good. So let's jump into it, okay? I will say, as a quick wristwatch check, not to create suspense, but as a quick wristwatch check, I'm wearing my this is a Seiko Turtle, a Seiko King Turtle, actually. So this is a Seiko King Turtle. Some improvements were made over the regular Seiko Turtle. This is a 2020 model. They did put this out in 2020. And it's the previous video, so check that out. I did go ahead and unbox this for the channel, and I will leave a link in the description box below. And at the end of this video, it'll pop up. So you can just let it play, or you can hit that, and it should play, okay? Now, we've got our box here, and this is Cadola 1946, okay? So now, I should do some research on this company to see if perhaps this has been around since 1946, or this is one of those things where, you know, perhaps it's a company that usually kind of goes out of business, and then someone buys the licensing to the name and decides to start putting them out. Or it's inspired from 1946. I have no clue. Okay. But 1946 is what we've got on the box here. And for the $99 tier, like I said, the box is pretty standard. I mean, it's definitely a paper box, which is fine. A watch of this price point for $99 coming with a paper box. It is not okay for UVO stock. If you recall a couple videos back, I did have I believe it's like a $300 and change Vostok Vostok Europe Almaz that did come in a paper box. That's not okay. Okay, at that price point, that's a no-no. Okay, but this one here, $99, this is where we expect to see a paper box. Okay, so this is okay. But let's take it out of the sheath here. There we go. And let's take a look here as I create a little bit of suspense. So we've got the foam. I will grab the watch here. And we've got some silica gel. Oh, okay. And we've got, let's check out the books here. So I will say this is lined with some nice like felt material here. It's got the Cadola pressed into that, the Cadola logo. So this box is pretty nice for what it is. You've got the Cadola 1946 right there. Might be a sticker or something kind of stuck on there, but that's pretty nice. And it is, like I said, it's felt lined, so at least it feels nice on the inside. You've got the Cadola International Warranty Card, and you've got the instruction manual. So there you go. And of course, we've got the silica gel. Just be sure not to ingest that. And we've got the actual watch here. So as I always do, I take these out and I look these up so that I am ready. This is the Endurance, and I will say this is a very nice piece, guys. I really like this. So of course, as you can see, it's a classic racing chronograph. Okay, let's see here. You still got the plastic and everything on the back. So there's the back of it. Do we have a sign? So you see, you got the Cadola logo there on the back. You have a signed crown here, which is interesting at this price point. You do get that. As you can see, you've got loomed hands, loomed indices. You've got the date down there right at the bottom. Okay. And I will say, it's a good looking piece. This is a mecha quartz movement. So when you activate the chronograph feature, it does have a nice sweep to it, I will say, which of course all of these mecha quartz movements do. You can stop it there, and then of course reset it. Spins back around. It is pretty slick, I will say. If you're gonna do it, like, listen, guys, to whoever's listening to me out there, whether it be watch gang, whether it be watch manufacturers, whoever, if you're gonna do a quartz chronograph, I understand an automatic chronograph is expensive. I own one. They're usually on the pricier end. If you're gonna do a quartz chronograph, please, mecha quartz. Okay, none of this. You hit it and it ticks and the movement feels super light and all that. I will say this does seem to have at least a decent amount of weight to it. Just mecha quartz, guys. Mecha quartz. Okay, if it's got to be quartz for your chronograph, mecha quartz, please. None of this Chinese. I don't know. Listen, I don't know. I don't know who makes this. To be honest with you, it could also be Chinese. Actually, no. I'm looking at it here on my monitor here. This is a Japanese mecha quartz chronograph movement. So I guess mecha quartz is made by the Japanese. But you usually get some of these very cheap. You hit it and it ticks. It's doing this annoying ticking in order to time something. And listen, it works. It's an application that works. I'm not saying it doesn't work, or it's not an accurate way of keeping time if you're timing something with a chronograph. It's just not particularly what anybody here wants. Okay? Someone's blowing me up here. But this is a nice piece. So as you can see, as it kind of tilts there, I believe there's a bit of AR coating on that too, on that crystal. So now in terms of the specifications here, you've got as I've got them pulled up here on my monitor, I will scroll down as I go over them. You've got a Japanese mecha quartz movement. You've got a stainless steel case. You've got the rally style genuine leather strap. So that's where it's got the holes in it. That's rally style. Let's see here. This is a case size of... Actually, I'm going to try it on before I want you guys to guess the case size and then tell me what you thought it was in the comment section below. I'm going to throw it on my roughly 8¼ inch wrists here. Let's just see if I can even buckle it. Sometimes they just don't give enough. Give me a second, guys. I had to go off camera real quick here. Sometimes I am... not able to button something up here because the strap's just not long enough, and that's always a little disheartening. I gotta be honest here. That's never a good thing for me. But this one here, nevertheless, the Cadola actually fits. I'm very surprised by that. And here we go. The Cadola actually fits. I'm actually able to buckle it, and it actually goes past the two holders here. So props on that. It is large man approved in that, if you have a large wrist, you will be able to get it around your wrist. And look at the wrist presence on that, guys. This looks pretty good. Like I said, you can see a bit of AR coating there in the lens. So it definitely has an AR coated mineral crystal. But this is a nice piece. I really like this, actually. Yeah, this is very nice. So, in terms of the case size, go ahead and guess what it is. Let me know. Let's put it below the bone here. Let me know what you think. And in terms of this one, you're looking at 42 millimeters. So, let me know what you thought it was. 42 millimeters. You've got a case thickness of 12 millimeters. Let's see here. Lens. It is, as I said, a sapphire-coated mineral crystal on this particular piece here. As you can see, the buckle is signed with Cadola. The crown is signed with Cadola. And I really like the overall black and red color scheme here. 2-year warranty and 100 meters water resistance rating on this one. And it is a 20 millimeter strap. So I've got to decide if I'm going to hold on to this one. I really do actually like the way that it looks, guys. And I will say, give me 1 second as I pop it off the wrist here. I actually have that someone sent me... give me 1 second. I'm going to go to the back of the room here. Bear with me, guys, as I look to locate what I'm talking about here. Here we go. All right. I'm going to run to the back of my office real quick. I don't know if this will be long enough, but I actually have this nice NATO strap that actually will match this pretty perfectly, as you can see. So I'm actually curious to see what this will look like on the NATO strap. I don't know if it'll be long enough. May have to drop some tears over that if I'm not able to fit this awesome looking NATO strap on here, but it is 20 millimeters, just like this rally strap is. So hopefully that will work, and hopefully I will be able to do that if I decide to hold on to this long term. So let me know what you guys think. Do you like this? This is the Cadola Endurance. I will show you guys real quick on my phone the other pieces. I've already gone down the specs. Usually I go to my phone for the specs. I will show you guys the other color options that you can get for this particular piece here. So hold on, give me 1 second here, as I somehow have a Facebook page open. I don't know why. When I had the Cadola page open, what happened there? Somehow I hit something and it loaded into Facebook page somehow. Let me go to the Cadola Endurance. Here we go. We are prepared now. So these are the other color schemes. So I would prefer it on stainless steel. Gotta be honest, I'm more of a stainless guy. I would prefer it on stainless steel. You've got it here. You can see it's kind of a red and white. You've got this, looks like a British racing green or English green. Okay, so I mean, it could be British racing green. I mean, that's what I was thinking. Let's see here. This is nice too. The black with the red and the blue. This is very nice. Oh, I keep getting notifications here. Let's move this up. And you've got this one here is nice. This one here is nice. And this is the one that we currently have. And that is the same strap that we have, but it's got a white dial there. So, but this is the one that we have here currently, as I hold this up here. And like I said, on that rally strap, very nice piece. I just hope it fits on the NATO. So let me know in the comment section down below. Is this a piece that you would wear? Do you like the Cadola Endurance? Is this good value for money? Keep in mind, this was a part of the $99 Watch Gang Black Tier subscription watch. And I think for 99 bucks, I think it's very nice. Very stylish, nice mecha quartz movement. Overall presentation is very good. Again, when someone does a good job, you got to give it to them. Good job, Watch Gang. This knocked it out of the park. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for stopping in. Hit that subscribe button. Hang out with us. We got our giveaway coming. This has been Unbox and Chill. Signing out.